So what should you do? Should you come through and hold Sandcoin, or should you just dump it? Because the market in the Sandbox completely fell off a cliff. I mean, it's been a great run back here in 2021, entering in 2022. The market was up there all the way at $8, and now here it is today. The market's at 28.5 cents. Hopefully you guys have already dumped this cryptocurrency, because there's pretty much not too much left for the market to go down outside of zero. Let's talk about it. Now, before I get started, you guys can see that I did a price prediction in the Sandcoin all the way back here on January the 17th, 2023. I did an update video on the 3rd. You guys can go back and check out that video. It's still there in my playlist, fully available, because I didn't change my price prediction at that moment in time in February. I was still looking for Sandcoin to continue to go higher. Okay, so let me change this over to the daily chart, and you guys can see a little bit closer to where February the 3rd was. It was right there, and I didn't change my price prediction. Market ran up soon after, up there around 90 cents, 95 cents, which would have garnered us around, let me see, 27% run. Pretty good, because after that time, that was the high in the market. You guys recognize that, right? The market in Sandcoin did not go no higher than that. It's been trending down ever since that time. Isn't that crazy? For you to time the top, for you to see where the top into the market is, because now this is what the market in the Sandcoin is doing here. Yeah, it doesn't look too good now, does it? Now, I know many of you may have already holding on for dear life, waiting for this cryptocurrency just to bring back some rejuvenation, some demand, some interest. You guys can see it though. It doesn't look too good. So obviously the overall trend into the market in Sandcoin is weakness, is continuation of move to this downside, as long as the price doesn't break outside of this downtrend line. That's what we want to see. We want to see a break, and until we see a break, the market's going to continue to trade the way that it's been since this beginning of this year. Don't expect too much out of that until that time comes. Let's look at Sandcoin real quick on a weekly chart. Okay. So you guys can tell a lot of these altcoins look similar, and there's only a few cryptocurrencies that is actually maintaining price. That tells me that that is where the interest lies. That's where the demand is going toward. That's where people value the cryptocurrency, i.e. Bitcoin. Take a look. Okay, you see how Bitcoin has just really been maintaining a consolidational trading range. Now, from my prediction, it's still looking weak, but it's holding its weight more. It's holding its weight better than it is like with this altcoin Sandcoin, right? The Sandbox, I mean. Look at that. So I think you guys know where the money is going towards in terms of demand, where people value the most of these cryptocurrencies. So yeah, Sandcoin is not a buy right now. And let me zoom over here. Let's take this to the left of the chart. Let's see if we can actually find a basis of support right here. Could be a support area for the Sandbox. And outside of that area, I mean, we might come all the way down here to the lows of when it first started trading on Binance. These lows down here, which is around 2 cents, 2.5 cents. Now just imagine if you purchased the Sandbox 2 cents and then it ran all the way up there to $8, right? That's a pretty good call though. So I do suspect that this market in Sandcoin is going to continue to go down. I'm going to try to stretch this horizontal line all the way over to the right of the chart so that we can actually utilize this as our basis of support. Okay, so until we see the market in Sandcoin break that downtrend line, the direction in which price has the easiest way to move is all the way down here, which is around 15 cents. I know that's a ways away. I know you guys think that that's not even probable. That can't even happen. But that's the next logical area that we can find support. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. That we're going to look for the market in the Sandbox to continue to go lower. Now, with that stated, there can be a day, 2 days, 3 days to where the market in the Sandbox will make a run, and you guys will begin to think, oh man, we're about to hit a new bull trend, but then only just get rejected and come back down. So I'm just trying to get you all prepared for that, because we have been in a sustained downtrend for a while, and it's about time for us to actually see some strength in the market for Sandbox, but we're not really there yet. And for us to see the market price break below this support area to where the buyers initially were, also tells me that the continuational move to the downside is still there too. Or at least it's a high probability that the market's going to continue to trend that direction, which is down. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Anywhere in my price prediction box to the downside would have to be TP. Because like I said, the ultimate area is all the way down here to 15 cents. That's the next basis of support. Now that's a ways away. That's 46% move to the downside. I'm not going to move the market that low just yet. So we're just going to bring it down here and try to get to 25 cents first. That's going to be our first target, 25 cents. You guys see that's 12.14%. And then the second target is going to be around like 23, which is 18.79. So we'll hold that there. I'm finished. To those who are new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the team. This is what we do. We simply come through, look at the chart, try to get an understanding as to where the market's going to go so that we can get in a position to capitalize from it. Hit me up. Let me know. Hit the like button as well. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.